Hi my angels, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell from the title of this video, I'll be doing a glass skin and glass hair makeup look. And this is the look. As you can tell, my hair is super glossy and shiny, and I've put zero product in this. And then I've got a very natural glass-like makeup look. And if you want to see how to get this, then please keep watching. So I'm starting off by sorting my hair out, and I really want to get that glass hair look. So this is my before, and I'm going to wash my hair and then go in with the Dream Length 8-Second Wonder Water by L'Oreal Paris, which is basically a liquid conditioner that makes your hair 10 times smoother and shinier in just 8 seconds. It's so quick and easy to use. It's gone completely viral all over social media, and I totally get why. Because next I'm going to show you guys the shine that I get from it. So in just 8 seconds, you can see I've washed my hair. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it all, and once I've done blow drying it, I am going to go in and straighten it with my L'Oreal Paris Professional Steam Pod, and I love using this. It's less heat damage on my hair as well. But as you can see right now, that shine in my hair is just unreal. It's really giving me that glass hair vibes that I want, and it's just so super shiny, soft and healthy looking. It's absolutely incredible, and this is with like no extra product in my hair. So I mean, it looks like I've had a full-on treatment and conditioner and mask in my hair, but it was just that. So now that my hair is done, it's time to move on to skin. I'm using my Radiant Rani serum to get that all over. For that glass skin look, I always love making sure that my skin is nice and prepped. And in the heat that we've had in this summer, I'm just making sure that I'm applying less of everything. So I've got that all over my face, and then it's time to go in with my eye cream. I totally should have done it the other way, but this is my Biosense Squalene Marine Algae Eye Cream, and I'm getting that all over my under eyes and also a little bit up into my brow bone as well. Then for moisturizer, I am taking the Wind Medina Dew, another gorgeous product which helps my skin just look so dewy. And once that's all moved in, my skin is all prepped. And then it's time to move on to my base. So for my base, I'm using the Ultraviolet Dream Screen Tinted Veil. I have been obsessed with this. I'm getting this all over my skin and bouncing it all in. And I'm using my Coco Cosmetics Marshmallow Sponge, which is honestly revolutionary. And I'm getting this all over my face. I'm making sure it's all nice and blended into my skin, and I will show you guys, as always, a up close and personal look of what my skin is looking like. Just look how natural and skin-like and glowy my skin looks. I love it. Then taking my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer and getting that very small dots of it onto my face. I'm getting it on my under eyes, a little bit on my chin, my forehead, and a little bit on the sides of my nose, and really blending that out. And you totally don't have to use as like full coverage of a concealer, but I've been loving this at the moment, so I thought I'd get that on just to give me a little extra something in those areas. Then I'm taking the foundation side of my marshmallow sponge and just going over to make sure it's nice and blended. And that is my base done, but I am going to very slightly set the areas that I applied that concealer, and I don't want it to look matte. I still want my skin to look glowy, so I thought that would be perfect. Time for bronzer. I'm taking my Back to Bronze bronzer and getting that onto the usual areas of my face that I want to look sun-kissed. And you can totally use a cream bronzer if you want, but I wanted to make sure that I'm using something super creamy. And then taking a mixture of blush by Mama Mitchell and Skin Nova from Vive. I'm getting that onto the back of my hand and like making myself my own little like highlighted glowy creamy blush, and this just looks so beautiful. This is your sign, honestly, to mix an illuminator in with your blush. It is incredible. Then getting the same Skin Nova on to the areas where I want to highlight my skin without it looking highlighted and powdery. Do my brows off camera, and I've also got lash extensions in, so I'm not going to bother with mascara. You can add your own mascara or favorite mascara that you're loving at the moment. And then taking my Rare Beauty tinted lip balm onto my lips as a nice little gloss, and then topping it all off with my hydrating Jasmine Mist from Renavit. And that is, in a nutshell, my full-on glass skin and glass hair look. I am totally obsessed. So this is the end of this hair and makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, all of the products that I've mentioned and used will be listed in the description box. And I would like to say a massive thank you to L'Oreal for sponsoring this video with their Wonder Water. It honestly does wonders to your hair. Like, with zero product in it, to get this kind of shine is unreal. So thank you very much for that. I think that is everything. If I have forgotten anything, it will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. And as always, please let me know what other videos you would like to see on here, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That's everything from me, and I will hopefully see you guys all in my next one. Bye!